Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel Mazhab Loj. Today we will discuss about charcoal and activated charcoal, its advantages, disadvantages and medicine uses. What is a charcoal? A charcoal is a hard black material that is made by burning wood with a small amount of air. In other words, we will say that incomplete burning of a wood. What is an activated charcoal? Activated charcoal is similar to the common charcoal but is made specially for the use as a medicine. The most important work of charcoal powder is the treatment of diseases is to absorb chemical substances like germs, viruses, toxins, wounds, secretions and other products or functions that are harmful to the body. The substances that are absorbed by the charcoal is the antimony, hemlock methyl pesticides, which is our pesticides, arsenic, hydrochloride, morphine in the phenol, and is also present in water. To purify water from the arsenic, we will also use a charcoal as a filter. Aspirin, kerosene, narcotics, radioactive substances, cocaine, lead acetate, nicotine silver, digitals, mercury chloride, opium, tea tobacco. Opium is also a poison which is found in the tea tobacco. Gasoline, mercury, penicillin, venom. This is a gasoline. Penicillin is a organisms that is found in water. Medical uses of the activated charcoal. It is used for the indigestion, inflammation of the bowel, boils, insects and snake bites. Activated charcoal in use in that places for the digestion, improve your digestion, inflammation of the bowel. In other words, for the acidity, boils, insects bites, eye inflammation, fever, wounds, absorbs chemicals and food poisoning. Food cleaning agent used for the food cleaning agent, kidney disorder, liver disorder, and also in the cancer, typhoid fever, dengue fever, diarrhea, and constipations. Additional benefits of the uses of the charcoal reduces acne and improves the skin health, whiten the teeth, remove bad odor, which is come out from our mouth. Two ways to applying the charcoal therapy in your face. It is very simple. Charcoal poultice is made a charcoal powder mixed with enough water to make into a paste. Take a bowl and plus 1 glass of water and activated charcoal and mix it well, shake it well, mix it well, and up to it will convert it into a thick paste. Apply this paste on your face. Apply this paste on your face and reduces your acne and improve your health. Also use for the treatment of your teeth, whitening of the teeth and remove bad odor. Charcoal drink is a tasteless. There is no difference in the taste between a glass of clear drink water and a glass with water charcoal powder. The only difference is the color. There is no taste of the charcoal which is found mixed in the water. Dosage and procedures: dilute the charcoal in the cold or warm water according to the dosage. For the newborn baby, this will also be used for the newborn baby. 1 teaspoonful of the charcoal powder is a glass half filled with the drink water. Children and the adult. Into the children, there is a 1 heaping tablespoon of the charcoal powder dilute to 2 to 4 charcoal capsule or 4 to 6 charcoal tablets. Adult in a glass with water are diluted with the following 2 heaping tablespoon of the charcoal powder or 4 to 6 charcoal capsule or 8 to 10 charcoal tablets. In some cases dosage can be double. In for the this will use for the prescription for about the doctor. Thank you so much. Please click the bell icon and also subscribe my channel.